Hi, welcome to the Dale Driven channel. On this channel, you'll be seeing a lot of videos that I find interesting, such as cars, vintage cars of different eras, like the 70s, 80s, 90s, and whatever I find interesting, even motorcycles as well. And there's a lot of stuff that I'm really interested in, and I thought I'd make a video about it and, see where it takes me. Today we're going to be talking about the bioceramic MoonSwatch collection. I did go to the initial launch of this watch in San Francisco, and we lined up pretty early, and there was about 2,000 or more people that lined up, and it wrapped around the whole building. Here's a photo and maybe a video that I might have taken from that event. Unfortunately, they only had like 32 watches at that time. Um, out of out of 2,000 people that went in line, I guess it was a marketing promo for it, so the hype was real. But now that after a couple of months, I think 2 months, it's starting to trickle out into the major Swatch flagship stores again. Unfortunately, these are not going to be available online. They are going to be available only in person at a flagship Swatch store. So if you're going to a Swatch dealer that's not part of the Swatch website, there's a high chance that they're not going to be there. You have to go to the ones that are specified on the website. So I did try to find one of the missions collection at Las Vegas and Los Angeles, but ultimately I ended up finding it exactly at my hometown in San Francisco. So without further ado, let's do an unboxing of the Swatch. So here it is. It is stapled from the store, just to give it a little bit more of inclusivity, I guess. This is the total amount. It is $260 with tax, a total of $8.625, total of $22. It came out to a total of $282.43. Now, this is the box right here. So this is one side: mission to the sun, mission to Mercury, mission to Venus, mission to Earth, mission to the moon, mission to Mars, mission to Jupiter, mission to Saturn, mission to Uranus, mission to Neptune, and mission to Pluto. Now the box is pretty sleek in design. Temperature 229 degrees. I guess that's little facts about the mission to Pluto. I did get the mission to Pluto bioceramic MoonSwatch collection. Has 5 moons, status solid and gaseous. Here we have the Omega logo, X Swatch, and a little fun fact: a plane trip to Pluto could take 800 years. So let's go dig deep. Opening this one-handed, so please bear with me for a second. The box is made out of, I don't think it's it is made out of cardboard with a plastic lining. And here it is. This is the beautiful Speedmaster MoonSwatch. So yeah, this is it. This is the mission to Pluto Omega Speedmaster Swatch. It is in this beautiful white and maroon color. It does have a Velcro strap, and this is the I guess the info booklet. Swatch pays a bioceramic tribute to Omega Speedmaster MoonSwatch, the first watch to make it to the moon and back. I don't know about that. Well, we got the different types of moon swatches that you can look over and hopefully tempt you to buy more. This is the certificate of authenticity. I bought it today at Powell Street in San Francisco, May 29, 2022. And I'll dig deeper. This is the back of the swatch. It says, "Explore the universe, reach out for other planets, enjoy the mission. Dream big, fly higher." Swatch, Swiss-made, water-resistant, designed, patented, 4 jewels. And this is the Pluto planet right there. It's very beautiful. Mine has a tape on top, and I'm going to remove it right now so we can see the back. I'm going to remove the... And then close up to see that. You can see the movement right there. It's a very beautiful Omega Speedmaster design. It is now on my wrist. As you can see, it has an Omega and Swatch logo. And on the bottom here, it says Speedmaster Mission to Pluto MoonSwatch. It's very light, and it has that very distinctive Speedmaster design. And Omega on top, Swatch on the bottom, and MoonSwatch on the right side. As you can see, the movement looks to be quartz movement. It is water resistant, and the strap is made out of Velcro material. I'd say the weakest link of this watch is the strap, but that can be changed over a period of time. Let me show you how to remove it. As you can see, it is one long strap on the top, and it hooks right here, and the Velcro latches onto this part. I'm not a big fan of the gray Velcro, so I might be looking into replacing the strap later on in the future. I do love the maroon and vanilla dial. It's very classy, and it looks to be something very classic in the future. I want you guys to listen to the sound of the tick. The movement is very quartz-like, and it doesn't sound like a normal watch just because of the material. I feel like the bioceramic really changes the tone of the clicks when the hand is moving. So I just changed the Mission to Pluto MoonSwatch straps. Like I said earlier, I didn't like the normal ones, so I went ahead and ordered these from the House of Straps. They are burgundy unlined SS bund, so the bund strap is basically this right here. Gives it a nice vintage classic look. Once I wear this a lot more, it's gonna have a very vintage, you know, like that wear is gonna look so good. So this is my MoonSwatch. It is now under 10 months of everyday use. I've been loving it so far. The watch kind of reminds me of a Daytona because of that symmetrical design, and it's kind of, I call this my red panda, compared to like the Condors or the regular black and white pandas. The strap, you know, it's a lot better than the original strap it came with, and since I use it every day, it has aged a little bit. To take care of it, just like your skin needs lotion, I do have this Coach leather cleaner kit. It comes with a leather cleaner and the leather moisturizer. So every now and then I would take time out to clean up the leather straps so it could age and you know, last a little bit longer. But overall, I'm very satisfied with this as a watch that I can use daily without worrying about scratches and nicks, and you know, forget about thinking about losing value on this, because it's not really a valuable watch, but it does have that aesthetic of an Omega Speedmaster, and that's what I really like about it. It's you can throw it on and use it as a timepiece, as it should. There's a lot of scratches on the bezel. Would probably need to get back to swatch to get it repolished again, but otherwise, you know, it still works as it should. And you know, over a period of time, I've always been complaining about how loud this thing is, because I'm very keen on sounds, right? And at nighttime, when I first had this watch, all I could hear was the ticking of this quartz movement. You can hear it. But now that I'm more accustomed to the noise, and this bunt strap really helps out with masking that sound, makes it a little bit more quieter compared to the gray strap. It's been such a good daily driver as a watch, and hopefully they come out more in stores, because maybe I'll expand the collection, but this is what I'm happy with, and hopefully it'll last as long as the original Omegas. So thanks for watching.